Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry.
Recently, my wife is interested in making a cake. Today, I will tell you how to make a banana cake without failure, even for the first time try. With the help of my 3D printed accessories, everything becomes very smooth and easy. I will tell you the tips and the trick how to make it. Stick around. Let's start. The cake recipe and the procedure are listed below. For making a muffin-like fabric cake base, banana 2 pieces, egg 2 pieces, granulated sugar 80 gram, unsalted butter 80 gram, low protein flour 120 gram, baking powder 2 gram. For decoration, ring-shaped sliced banana, powdered sugar. Use the normal procedure to make a muffin-like fabric cake base. If you are interested, please leave a comment below. I will present the detailed information next time. Now we have the cake base like this. It's time to go final and the interesting part. Decorating and finalize the cake. Add some powdered sugar. Here is the trick on how to make powdered sugar by yourself. Add 100 gram granulated sugar into the mixer. Add 5 grams starch into it. This is the trick how to make a good powdered sugar. Stir them completely until you feel the powder is good enough. It is about a 5-minute process in my case. Here, my 3D printed magic bullet gear replacement creates a lot. In fact, the magic bullet mixer was out of work because the gear was broken. Slice the cake base in 2 parts. Add some fresh cream above the surface of the bottom part. Add some sliced banana. Add another fresh cream to cover them all. Put the upper part above it. Add some fruits and some fresh cream. Using the rotating shower table also helps a lot. It makes the work easier and smoother. Now everything is finished. Let's see the cake. It looks great. It also tastes very good. In fact, it is the first time my wife makes the whole cake at home. It's not perfect, but it really works out very smooth and interesting. You and I also feel interactive and give some help. Hope it will also give you some help. Please transfer the video to your friends so they can know how to work out. Make everyone happy and a better world.
Please like and subscribe. You will not regret your choice. Also, leave your comments so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon again. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the update. TubeU channel is waiting for you.